Hello everyone, I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. You all know I am Tanushree and I am pursuing my second year BE in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Vidyanagar, Bangalore. So my today's topic is types of operators in Java. You all know my subject for today is object oriented in Java programming. So next, let's get into the topic. So first, let's basically study about the introduction of operators. So operators in Java are special symbols that perform operations on variables and values. They are fundamentals to programming as they allow you to manipulate data. Understanding different types of operators is essential for effective coding in data. So here are the basic examples for operators in Java, that is arithmetic, bitwise, relational, logical, and assignment. So next, arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical operators. Common arithmetic operators include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So next, here the relational operations. The relational operators compare two values and return a Boolean result. Key relational operators includes equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than. They are often used in conditional statements to control the flow of program. Here there are the relational operators, that is equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than and greater than or equal to. That is, if A is equals to B, then the result will be false. A is exclamatory is equals to B, that will be true, and A less than B, that is false, and A less than is equals to B, that is also false. A greater than B, that is true, and A greater than or equal to B, that will also be true. So next, logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine multiple Boolean expressions, and the primary logical operators are and or not. These operators helps in making complex decisions based on multiple conditions. The AND operators. The logical AND operators and takes two operands that must both be Boolean expressions. The resulting combined expression is true if and if only if both the operands are true. Expression 1, expression 2, and expression 1 and expression 2. So if the expression 1 will be false and expression 2, so expression 1 will be true and the expression 2 will be false, then the expression 1 and expression 2 will also be false. Expression 1 will be false and expression 2 will be true, and the expression 1 and expression 2 will be false. Expression 1 will be false and expression 2 will be false. Expression 1 and expression 2 will be false. Expression 1 will be true and expression 2 will also be true, then the expression 1 and expression 2 will be true. So next, bitwise operators. Here bitwise operators perform operations on individual bits of integer data types, and common bitwise operators includes AND, NOR, XOR, NOT. These operands are often used in low-level programming and performance-critical applications. Here, assignment operators. Assistant operators are used to assign values to variables. The simplest form is equals to sign, but there are compound assignment operators like plus is equals to and minus is equals to. These operands simplify the progress of updating variables values in a concise way. The assignment operators and the assignment operators are operators and expressions. Whether the operator is equals to, then the expression will be x is equals to y. If the operator is plus is equals to, then the expression will be x plus is equals to y. And if the operators will be minus is equals to, then the expression will be x is equals to minus y. If there is into is equals to, then the expression will be x into is equals to y. If there will be exclamatory is equals to, then the x is equals to exclamatory y. And suppose the percentage y is equals to the x percentage is equals to y. So the description will be, suppose if we take x is equals to 25 and y is equals to 14, the assignment value is will be y will value to x. So x is equals to x plus y, x is equals to x minus y, x is equals to x into y, x is equals to x divided by y, and x is equals to x percentage of y. Urinary operators. Urinary operators operates on a single operand and perform operations like incrementing and decrementing. Common urinary operators includes increment, plus plus, and decrement, minus minus. They can also include urinary plus and urinary minus to indicate positive and negative values. So the operators, symbols and descriptions. Urinary minus, it returns opposite sign operand. Increment operator plus plus increments the values of an operand by 1. Decrement operator minus minus decrement the value of an operand by 1. Not operator exclamatory reverses the logical state of an operand. Addresses of operators and returns the addresses of an operand. Size of operator, returns the size used by the data types in bytes. So next, territory operators. The ternary operator is a shorthand of if-else statements and is represented by the question mark symbol. It takes this operand and evaluates a Boolean expression and to result return 1, 2 of values. Then the syntax is condition value if the value false, making code more concise. If else and include stdio.h and int main int number is equals to 3, and if number percentage is equals to 0, print even number and odd number, return 0. If ternary operator includes stdio.h, int main int number returns even number and odd number, again it will return 0. Instance of operators. The instance of operator checks whether an object is an instance of specific class or subclass. It returns a Boolean value true if an object is an instance for otherwise. This operator is useful for the types of checking in polymorphic code and ensures safe casting. Conclusion. Operators are essential components of Java that facilitates various operators, and understanding how to use different types of operators can enhance coding efficiency and clarity. Mastering of operators contributes to better problem solving skills in software development. Thank you everyone. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.